A very nice clean example, 10-inch dinner plate, late 20th century. We'll show you the china marks and talk a little bit about the manufacturers in a minute. Just to run you over this plate, a nice, very old worldy sort of 18th century border with rotating foliage, little oak leaves, and then these sort of hunting horn and top hats around the bottom and at the top here, and then coach and horses, 4 horses and a pub. So we're pretty certain this will have come from a coaching in series. Now, I was saying that rather than a coaching in an old inn series, because the pub's not named. It has got a sort of crown on, and it probably is the crown. But where they have the coach and the pub, it's usually coaching in series that they produced in a variety of different blockworks in the centre. So let's talk a little bit about who made this one, because interesting. Staffordshire Tableware, Staffordshire Life, circa 1760. Now, this doesn't date from 1760, I can assure you that. Made in England, microwave, dishwasher and freezer safe, none of which were around in 1760. This branding, Staffordshire Tableware, when you research this, it's very difficult to find anywhere definitively acknowledging who the manufacturing producer was, but it was probably EIT, English Ironstone Tableware, or possibly Churchill, and nobody. What was going on at this time was that they were producing different brands out of the same factory for sale in different marketplaces. So they'd have a mid-range brand, a cheaper range brand, and rather than making it clear to the buying public that these were a branded range, i.e. Churchill or Broadhurst or EIT, they would confuse the marketplace by putting these sort of non-definitive branding subtitles on them with no clear indication where they were coming from. But we know this one's made in England because you weren't allowed to produce anything that was marked made in England in the Far East. It's in very nice condition. There will be others out there. This was probably sold through department stores or supermarkets, those type of outlets, as a medium range ironstone dinner plate. And it's in beautiful condition. Just to show you the glaze reflection on this one, just look there. It has got a few little knife marks over the surface, but by and large it's very, very clean, and the glaze on the back very, very clean, and obviously tough as old boots. Bung it in a dishwasher, microwave or freezer, and it should keep its shine, because the glazes by this time in production were very, very hard glass glazes. So a nice plate. Somebody somewhere will have a set of these and want some more, so we will list this on the Vintage and Antiques website. Pop a link in the description below from YouTube taking you there if you're interested in finding out more. All the measurements, details, pricings and history detailed in that listing. Thanks for watching.